Have you ever looked at a centuries-old painting and wondered where it's been or what stories it carries? The answer lies in its provenance, the record of an object's ownership over time. Provenance is essential to understanding an artwork's authenticity, value, historical context, and cultural significance. It helps ensure ethical practices and uncovers the relationship between creators, collectors, and the events that shaped the object's history. The University of Missouri's George Caleb Bingham Gallery brings these challenges to life with Mind the Gap, Piecing Together Provenance, an exhibition created by museum studies students. Spanning a 30-foot hallway, the installation explores the intricate process of tracing the histories of 6 artworks from the museum's collection. Visitors are invited to learn what provenance research entails, and to explore the surprising disparities that emerge when interpreting the same painting. Each of the 6 installations tackles a unique theme, using murder mystery board displays with red and blue string to represent pieces and gaps in research. Let's take a closer look at one of the installations, Searching for the Artist, which examines the architectural capriccio by Antonio Jolie. Starting from the top left corner and following the strings counterclockwise, viewers are guided through the painting's known ownership timeline. At the top, images of the painting's front and back are displayed alongside works by Jolie and his mentor Panini, the original attributed artist. Seeing these pieces side by side reveals the difficulties art historians face when distinguishing between similar styles and subjects. The timeline moves next to the Grosvenor family, the first known owners of the painting. While the Getty Provenance Index, a massive art database, recorded works by both Jolie and Panini in the Grosvenor collection, this specific painting was not documented. This gap, marked by blue string, highlights both the limitations and links researchers must navigate. From the Grosvenors, the painting passed into the possession of the Astor-Oblensky family, a union between a Russian prince and one of the world's wealthiest families. Similar to the Grosvenors, records suggest that the painting belonged to the Astors before and after the marriage. As the timeline approaches modern times, more red strings appear, marking clearer ownership records. In New York, the painting entered the collection of art dealer Robert Osborne, whose sticker remains visible on its back. Osborne sold the painting to the University of Missouri in 1972, where it was officially reattributed from Panini to Jolie. Throughout this process, researchers had to cross-reference materials under both artists' names. Identifying a single architectural capriccio among hundreds produced by both artists added layers of mystery to its history, illustrating the painstaking work involved in provenance research. This case, along with others in the Mind the Gap exhibition, highlights the challenges of provenance research, whether that involve missing dates, Nazi looting, fragmented records, or difficulties in accessing and interpreting archives. Despite these obstacles, provenance remains crucial to understanding an artwork's journey and ensuring its rightful place in history. It safeguards cultural heritage, illuminates historical and artistic contexts, and fosters ethical stewardship of art. Through installations like Searching for the Artist, visitors gain insights into the painstaking work of researchers who piece together these fragmented stories. Ultimately, provenance transforms objects into powerful connections to the past, reminding us that every artwork carries not just its beauty, but also the weight of the lives and histories it has touched.